The House of Democrats is expected to vote today on a massive coronavirus relief bill. This bill is going to address some of the faults of the previous bills that left out a lot of immigrants and some undocumented immigrants. Watch this video and we'll talk about this bill and how it can benefit immigrants just like you. In this video, we'll talk about the new bill being voted currently by the House, $3 trillion coronavirus relief package, which specifically has some amazing benefits for immigrants, mostly helping those people that were left out from previous bills. So I'm going to break down in this video 5 points how the new HEROES Act, the act is called HEROES Act, is going to help immigrants and provide benefits and support that was not provided before. Stay to the end because I'm going to go through all 5 points. My name is Jacob Sapochnick and I'm an immigration attorney located in San Diego, California. We do videos every single week on this channel. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Click that bell to be notified. We have videos every single week. And press that like. If you don't press the like, YouTube is not gonna share our videos and show more people our videos, and I think this information is super important for everybody. Thank you for joining us, and let's dive right in. So, what is this HEROES Act? In a nutshell, the HEROES Act is another stimulus coronavirus package, $3 trillion worth of stimulus money to help, but also a lot of other benefits. It's going to shield immigrants from deportation who are working in essential capacity, essential workers. It's going to release from detention certain immigrants that are currently detained. It's going to allow healthcare workers to get green cards faster and also more flexibility as to where they can work and how. It's also going to allow for some certain healthcare benefits for immigrants that were excluded before. And we're going to go over some of the main points in this video. But this is huge. If it passes the House and then it moves to the Senate, we'll see what happens. But this is just the beginning of this bill. This is again not law, it's just a bill and they're voting on it this week. Here are the 5 provisions this bill is going to make for immigrants. Number 1, cash payments to immigrants and their families. Under this new bill, families of immigrants and immigrants who were previously excluded under the CARES Act are now going to be able to get much needed stimulus money that previously was not available to them. So that's huge and very important for immigrants. Number 2, releasing low-risk immigrants from ICE detention. The government is going to reevaluate the files of detainees and look at those that are low risk, they're not a threat to society, and they're going to be able to work on a process to release them from detention. This is also included in that bill. Number 3, shielding essential workers from deportation and creating opportunities for unauthorized immigrants to stay in the U.S. Workers in essential industries are going to be shielded from deportation and also offered work permits to be able to work. Employers, on the other hand, who hire those workers are not going to be penalized, and they're going to be allowed to allow them to keep working. And essentially they're going to do it under some sort of deferred action where they're going to basically freeze their status, give them work authorization like DACA, and allow them to continue working. Number 4, making it easier for medical professions to stay in the US and fight coronavirus. We've done quite a few videos on that, on the bills helping nurses and doctors speed up their visa process. This bill is going to include those provisions, helping doctors get their visas faster, nurses, and also allowing them flexibility as to where they can work and how they work. Essentially allowing doctors to be where they need it and not restricted under visas controlled like they used to be. And so that's huge for doctors and nurses, and it's huge for all healthcare workers, and hopefully it's going to help the fight of COVID-19. Number 5, health benefits for immigrants regardless of their status. Under this bill, immigrants are going to be able to get access to vaccination, testing, and certain health insurance benefits that previously were not available for them, even under the CARES Act. Now they're going to expand that, getting more people access to not only medical treatment and preventive treatment, but also health insurance, which is huge. So as you can see, if this bill passes, the House, and eventually it has to go through quite a few channels, the Senate, and eventually be signed by the President. But eventually, if this bill actually becomes law, it's going to create a lot of amazing impact and benefits for immigrants in many, many industries, essential work, healthcare, as well as a lot of undocumented immigrants are going to be able to get some sort of protection from deportation for a while. So let's see where this bill goes. I'll keep you posted. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or any concerns. It's quite a lot of information, and we're still waiting for news and see what happens, but I wanted to kind of get it out there for you to know about it. Post the comments below. If you're here again for the first time, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're going to continue doing those videos every single week for your benefit and for education of our viewers. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.